Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to block someone from seeing your Instagram story. To hide your story in live on Instagram from specific people, make sure to follow these steps. Firstly, open the Instagram app. After entering the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, which will take you to the settings. Now scroll down in settings and choose the option Hide Story in Live. Once you're in this option, tap on Hide Your Story in Live from here. You can hide your story and videos from specific people. All you need to do is search for the name of the person you want to block, then add them to this list, and the person won't be able to see your story. You can use these steps to block as many people as you want. Also, Instagram allows you to create a close friends list. When posting a story, you can choose to share it only with this selected group. This provides a more private and customized sharing experience. Always remember that online privacy is important, and you should use the tools provided by Instagram to control your social media experience. If you ever feel uncomfortable or encounter issues, don't hesitate to use the platform's reporting and blocking features. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your comments or questions down below.